What's the meaning of backward? Backward. Backward.
Backward. Backward. The word backward can have various meanings depending on the context in which it is used. Generally speaking, it refers to something that is directed or oriented in the opposite direction than what is considered normal or expected. It can also mean someone who is not as advanced or developed as others in a particular area, or something that is outdated or behind the times. In addition, backward can refer to movements that are reversed or retraced. Overall, the word backward connotes a sense of moving away from progress or improvement, and can be applied to a wide range of situations and phenomena.